Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Believe it or not, but I am not wearing makeup, and I'm not gonna wear makeup throughout this video because today is going to be a video where I show you what I do with my face when I don't want to wear makeup. I love makeup, but most of the times I just don't wear it. Not because I think makeup is bad for you. If you buy good quality makeup, it is not bad for your skin, but sometimes you just wanna, make your skin breathe and stuff, but I still wanna look good, if you know what I mean. So this is the look. This is how my face 9 out of 10 times look. So if you want to see what I used, how I did it, then please keep on watching. Before I'm going to jump into the video, there are actually two parts. One part is what I do at night. This is not something that I do every single night. It's kind of a 1 to 2 times a week. And then I really have especially the makeup part is mostly what I do every single time when I don't want to wear makeup. So that was a little disclaimer. So if you want to see what I do, then please keep on watching. Alright, so this is my face. I washed my face this morning. I have nothing on it, no eye cream, no moisturizer, nothing whatsoever. So I have all the things lying in front of me. And the first thing I'm going to do is something that I know a lot of people will be like, what are you doing? Why are you doing that? But it's shaving my face. Yeah, I do that. Yes, I do shave my face. And it's not because I have a lot of hair on my face. I do have, of course, like that mustache, but I get that lasered and I still have to do like 2 more laser treatments and then I'm finished. So that's it. But it's more like the sides of my face and my cheeks. I saw this a few years ago on internet and I was actually very scared to try it because I was afraid that my hair was going to grow back but then very hard and I was going to look like a man. But that doesn't happen at all. So what I do, I take this. I always clean it with some alcohol, 70% alcohol, just to make sure that it's very clean. And then what I do, okay, that is close. And do you see this here? Maybe this is not the right moment to make this video, but this baby, I call him Henry. I don't know why, but it looks like a Henry. But it has been here for 2 weeks and it's not going away. I'm not gonna do anything to it because I don't want to have this scar because of a pimple. So hopefully he will be gone very soon. All right, back to this baby. What I like to do is I don't shave this. I leave my hair, of course, the way it is. I just, cool my skin and then I go like this. Very gentle. Only one way, so I never go like this. I only go downwards. It's kind of removing all of the dead skin you have on your face. And I do this maybe once in every 2 weeks. This is actually also the reason why I almost never scrub my face because I don't think it's necessary after doing this. So yeah, I have a lot of baby hairs, but they don't have to be above my eyebrow. That is a little bit too intense. So now that's done, I have this big bowl of hot water. It's not boiling water, it's hot water. You can either steam your face or just take a towel. Let's see if it's not too hot. Just it's a bit too hot. And I'm gonna put it all over my face, especially on my nose. Especially on my nose because I'm gonna apply a pore strip and I want everything to be open so I can really pull it out and get this nice smooth nose. Alright, so now that my nose is completely red, I know that it's very hot and my pores are open, it's time for my pore strip and I'm gonna use the one from Biore. It's Biore. That's how you pronounce it, right? I don't know. But it's the only one that works for me. So I'm just gonna, make my nose a little bit wet because it needs something to stick. Don't make it too wet because it will not stick to the nose. Been there, done that. Press it onto the nose. Alright, so now that the nose strip is on, I'll leave it on for about 7 to 10 minutes, I believe. Once I feel that it's extremely hard, I know it's time to rip it off. But in between, I'm going to pluck my eyebrows if there's anything to pluck. And I do that at this moment just to save some time. When I'm done plugging my eyebrows, I always go over it with a cotton pad and a little bit of water just to remove all of this. Okay, so it has been 10 minutes. Let's take it off, which I hate because it's a little bit painful, but it's fine. Alright, so with my phone I filmed what is on the nose strip, which is pretty dirty. So I'm going to show you that, and if you don't want to see that, then skip to, I don't know, somewhere. I will put it on the screen. I'm going to use this pad. It is a kind of a scrub pad, and I use this in my Korean top 10 Korean beauty products, and I've been using it ever since. I love it. It is this cotton pad filled with a product, and it's just gonna give you like this sort of a exfoliation for the skin, but very gentle. Just like I told you, I already, you know, shaved my face. I don't want to go in with a very harsh scrub, which to be honest I don't think is very good for your skin. So I'm just going to use this to take up any dirt that is left on my face. Of course, a lot of it is because of the nose strip, because there was some residue on my nose. So I'm just going to quickly do this. And to really clean my face, I'm going to use my favorite Glamglow. It's pretty dirty because I always make a mess of things. I'm gonna apply that to my face, on my nose, my forehead, chin, and maybe a little bit on my cheeks. Oh, and by the way, this is the last product that I used to use in the evening. Everything that I've used until now is what I normally do before I go to bed, because I don't like to pluck my eyebrows in the morning. Sometimes my eyes get red, and when I really deep clean my face, I like to have some rest. That's why I like to use it in the evening. So yeah, let's apply this. And I know a lot of people use a brush to do it, but of course I lost mine. By the way, I also love the one by MAC, the volcanic ash mask. I have a video on that one, by the way. Okay, so this is what I use. I don't apply it on my entire face just because I don't think it's necessary, and the jar is pretty small. I don't want to waste product, so just use it wherever you need it. So it's this. Okay, so the mask is dry, and as you can tell, my main problem is on my nose. That's why I always use a nose strip. I have a lot of blackheads there, whiteheads. I think it's whiteheads, to be honest. And then alright, so I wash it off. Everything feels very smooth. Then it's time to do the actual morning routine. You can see that everything that I used before is what I normally do at night, like the day before. And what I like to do and start off with is the Origins Original Mask Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. Of course, I don't do this every single time, so this is extra. This is an option. It's one of my favorite masks. It's a clay mask. It just, I don't know, it brightens your face. It makes it a lot more tight. I am obsessed with this mask, and I think I've talked about this in my previous videos before. I'm not sure, but this is an option. I also use this when I have to go to an event, when I have a party, before I'm gonna do my makeup. This is not something that I do at night. This is something that I do before I'm gonna apply makeup or when I have a no makeup day. So let's do this. And I apply this all over my face. Alright, so we're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. Alright, so now that this mask is dry, I'm again gonna wash it off, and again I'll be right back. Alright, time for some eye cream, and I'm using the Kiehls Creamy Eye Treatment, which is a very hydrating eye cream, and I apply it all around my eyes, on my eyes, on my eyelids, I mean, underneath, just because I have pretty dry eyes, and I love the way it looks, you know, especially because we're now gonna apply concealer when it's kind of shiny. I know that sounds weird, but it just, you know, I like that. Gives this fresh feeling or fresh look. Yeah, I do use a lot of eye cream. Okay, so now you have to do all of your own skincare. Everyone has their own routine. You do you. I'm gonna do mine very quickly. And the only thing that is different is that I'm gonna use a different moisturizer. So I'll be back when it's time to moisturize. For moisturizer, I'm gonna use one of my favorites. This is the MAC Strobe Cream. and I have it in, this is original, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is the original one because it kind of has like this rose pink undertone, which I like. Of course, I do like the gold as well, but I like this because we're not gonna go in with foundation, but I like to have a glow on my face. It just looks fresh, it looks awake, and I like that. And then a little bit of the MAC Prep and Prime oil. I'm just gonna take maybe 3 drops, and then I'm gonna put it onto 2 fingers, and I like to tap it onto my cheekbones, where we actually normally would apply a makeup liquid highlighter a little bit underneath the brow. Another product that I like to use is the Benefit Professional. Of course, it's a primer and you're supposed to use it underneath your foundation. We're not going to do foundation, but I love it because it fills in your pores. Of course, we did a nose strip and masks, but I still have it. And especially because we're not going to do makeup, I want my face to be as smooth as possible. And I'm just going to apply it on the sides of my nose and next to it, because this is the only area where I have these holes. All right, that's it. Time for eyebrows. I'm just gonna take a spoolie and I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. And what I like to do is take some hairspray, maybe a smaller bottle would be okay. And I like to spray it onto my spoolie, and then I'm gonna brush it up just to give me some sort of a natural messy brow. And if you have very thin eyebrows, maybe the best thing for you to do is to color your eyebrows like a semi-permanent dye. Time to do something about my eyes, and of course this must be a part of it. I'm gonna curl my lashes. And I'm just using a random eyelash curler. I think this one is from the drugstore. I'm not gonna buy a very expensive one. Anywho, I always like to curl them twice. And then because we're not gonna do mascara, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Apply a little bit of hairspray on my lashes. Just gonna help to make them stay. And I cannot complain. Like, I have pretty long lashes, so very happy about that. All right, so we're done actually with the eyes. Of course, you can do a little bit on the bottom lashes, but for me, it doesn't make any difference, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Normally, I would have scrubbed my lips before applying moisturizer, but I forgot. So we're gonna do it now. This is the Glamglow one. I don't know if it has a name. Oh, it does. Fizzy Lip. So we're gonna take a little bit of this mask. That way you're gonna, you know, bring more color to your lips and I'll make them very smooth. All right, do you see my lips are a bit more red, a bit more alive? And then last but not least, I like to use a lip plumper. This is the one by Smashbox. And why I like this on no makeup days, it's kind of a pink color. Just makes it, you know, vibrant and stuff. I like that. All right, and then the only thing that's left to do is the hair. I don't like to do messy hair when I'm not wearing makeup because it just looks terrible. It would be something like this. No, we're not gonna do that. I like messy hair. I love a messy bun, but only with a full face of makeup. So to me, the best thing to do is to put it up into a high ponytail. So I'm gonna quickly do that and then I'll be right back. So yeah, guys, I quickly did my hair. I used some extensions to make my ponytail a lot more longer because my hair is very short because I bleached it way too much. But anyway, this is what I do when I don't like to wear makeup. Like I told you before, the first 3 or 4 steps, that is what I usually do at night, not in the morning, because it just takes way too much time. Also, I like to exfoliate and, you know, do some pore strips, pluck my eyebrows in the evening so you can get a good rest during the night. And then when you wake up, your skin is not red, not irritated, whatever. It just works for me. Of course, you do your own skincare because everyone has different skin type. I have normal to oily skin. But yeah, this is what I do. I actually love this look, and I know it's kind of a difficult video because I do realize that there are people who are suffering with skin issues. If you have acne, of course, this will not work for you. But I don't have a solution for that. I'm sorry, this is just what I do, what I like to do when I don't want to wear makeup. This is what I use. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if you want to see more videos like this, where it's a lot more natural than I normally do with the winged eyeliner, false lashes, all that good stuff, then please let me know. I want to thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you want to see more videos. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.